How to track the status of a permit application. Looking for updates on your permit application? In this video, we'll show you how to track comments, review progress, and status updates using iBuild and ProjectDox. Both platforms let you view feedback, updates, and review activity from city departments throughout the permit review process. Important note: this process applies only to permits submitted through the city's e-plan system. If your permit was submitted in person, status updates will not be available online. If you need to create an iBuild account, open your browser and navigate to miami.gov. Search for iBuild Portal. Visit the iBuild Portal link page, where you will find the link to the portal, step-by-step instructions, and a video tutorial on how to create your account. Once you have the account created, you can return to the iBuild Portal link to log in, checking your permit status in iBuild. To get started, log in to iBuild. Once you're logged in, locate the search field at the very top of the page. Enter your process number, then click the magnifying glass icon. You can also search by clicking the Global Inquiry button, selecting By Process Number from the drop-down menu, entering the process number, and clicking Search. At a glance, you'll see your application status listed under Plan Status, Status Reason. To view more details, click the process number. Click the process number again to open the full application record. You can also search for your application by opening the Manage Application menu and selecting Search Process Number. Under the General tab, you'll find all application details and the current status under Plan Status. Select the Plan History tab to see different types of requests associated with your application, including any requested revisions. In the Review Status tab, you can view the review status by discipline. Click the plus symbol next to a discipline to see additional details. On the right side of the screen, you'll find two report options: View Workflow Routing Slip and View Review Comments. Finally, the Events tab shows every step your application has gone through during the review process. Viewing your permit status in ProjectDox. Now let's take a look at ProjectDox. To check your status, log into ProjectDox. As part of the permit application process, you should have created a ProjectDox account to upload documents and drawings. If you haven't accessed ProjectDox before, you'll need to create an account. Under Manage Your Plan Reviews, click the Go to ProjectDox button. Once inside ProjectDox, look under the Status header to view the current status of your permit application. To view additional information, click the process number and then click the Status tab. ProjectDox also allows you to run several reports that provide detailed tracking throughout the review process, including Plan Review, Department Review Status, Plan Review, Review Comments, Plan Review, Review Details, Plan Review, Workflow Routing Slip. These reports can be downloaded in multiple formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, TIFF, MHTML, CSV, XML, or as a data feed file. You can also check your project status directly from the ProjectDox homepage by selecting your project and opening the Info tab. Please note, only users registered as applicants or added to the project will be able to view the status in ProjectDox. If you cannot access the status of the project, please request access via email to eplanbuilding@miamigov.com. Please include your full name, the property address, and the process number. Need more help? For additional assistance with permits and reviews, visit miami.gov and search for permit resources, or contact the City of Miami Building Department.